Alright guys, right now I'm going to be hacking on Blizzardhcf. There's a few things that changed on my channel. Obviously, fucking changing my fucking texture pack / resource pack, whatever the hell you want to call it. I guess that's it, but if you really do like it, just tell me about it in the fucking comments below, and let's get right into this hacking video on a French server, boys. Alright guys, before we do anything, I want to see if I can phase. So yeah, I haven't tried phasing, so let's see. Oh fuck. GG. This is fucking easy. No, he's right here. Oh shit, he's coming out. Shoot, he's dead. And the Raidable. GG. Come on! Let's skip the straight down. Oh god, no! Oh, you fucking kidding me! Alright, right now we are at this guy's base. It's got like legit nothing, so we can destroy everything. Yeah, it's just. Alright, we got him. Wait, no, is that the same dude? I want to do it. Oh. Easy. I think we're there. Wait, let's go. Do you have pots? No, he doesn't have pots. Oh my god. I got his stuff. Holy shit. Are they raidable? Nope, they're not raidable. Well, that's a GG right there. We got a full set of god shit. Alright, there guys, and there. Oh, legit PvP battle. Right here. Dude, we only have a pro. Hold on. He might come out, I'm not sure. Yep, he's coming out. Oh. Come here. Yeah, you know what? We're gonna play legit for a bit. Oh shit. Holy fuck. Oh my god, fuck. Bro! You. Ugh. Yeah. Oh, there's two people on that. It's coming out again. Nope, never mind. It's coming back in. Oh. Oh shoot! We killed them legit. Oh my god. We don't even need hacks. Dude, we just destroyed them. Let's see if they're raidable. Nah, we're not. Whatever. We still got like 2 kills. We got some decent shit, you know? Oh shoot. Oh, that's his friend. Oh, uncle. Oh, there we go. That's free.